Hi everyone, Cherie here. The July 2020 Amanda Kit from Felicity Jane has just arrived on my doorstep. So I thought I would open it up and give you a peek inside. So beautifully wrapped as always. Got this cute little card here. Hello Summer. Love that little rainbow. Okay, let's open it up. All right. Lots of really pretty things inside. So I'll get everything out and give you a closer look. Okay, I've got everything out of the box now, and there are lots of beautiful things to show you from the kit this month. Let's start off with the things that don't need to be taken out of their pack. So we have the Amanda Puffy alphabet. As you can see, we've got all lowercase letters there, front and back, plus numbers as well. We've got punctuation marks, some quotation marks there, tiny little hearts to use as well. So that is the Amanda Puffy alphabet. Next up we have the Amanda Puffy shapes. We have 4 different colours here and 3 designs. So we've got the stars, the dots and these tiny hearts as well. So they are super cute. They are the Amanda Puffy shapes. We also have the Amanda stamp set. Now this is perfect for when you're documenting any of your holiday, road trip type photos. Lots of fun phrases here. Just some of the examples are backyard camp out, photos, so much to see, every summer has a story, vacation, here we go, bucket list, outdoor adventure, fresh air, farmers market, summer mood, sunny days, and we have these icons down here as well. So we've got the geotag here, a little flower with leaves, that's really cute, and this one here that looks like a sun, but you could also use that as a flower as well. So that is the Amanda stamp set. Next up we have washi tape in the kit this month. So this matches the floral in this paper from the paper pack. Just open that up a bit for you so you can see that. Try and get that closer. It may not want to focus. And it doesn't want to focus that close. But you can see that really pretty floral there. So that is the washi tape. We also have some cotton ribbon in the kit this month. I believe this colour is described as forest. So you get plenty of ribbon there, perfect for tying in the top of your tags or tying little bows onto your layout. So that is the cotton ribbon. Okay, next up we're taking a look at the journaling cards. So this one on top, I absolutely love this sort of half rainbow shape. So we have that one on the front, on the back we have the grid. This one here is a really pretty floral down the left hand side, or you can turn it around to have it on the right if you wanted. We have the grid on the back of that one as well. We have a black and white stripe for this card here with grid on the back. This one here with 3 different colours, really love that. It's like a sunburst type pattern, and a grid on the back of that as well. This one here we have some little lemons on there, super cute, and we have a dot grid on the back of that one. Next up we have tiny stars, and the back of that one is the dot grid. We have this light pink one here with lines on it, perfect for journaling, or you can embellish that however you liked. And that one has a grid on the back. We have this one here that says play in those 4 different colours. That's really cute. On the back we have the dot grid. Next up we have this really pretty pink gingham pattern and a grid on the back of that one as well. Oh, this one's interesting. We have those different colours down the side, so you could turn that around and use that for a list. It sort of has that little arrow there pointing to whatever you write in this section. So I like that one. I like that card. It's got the dot grid on the back of that one as well. This one here we have the word summer repeated over and over in multicolours. Dot grid on the back of that. And then we have this cute little polka dot card which you could use either way, add some journaling, photo, whatever you like, and there's a dot grid on the back of that one. So they are the Amanda Kit journaling cards. There's 12 all up as always. Alright, next up we have the Amanda chipboard bits. There are 16 pieces in this little pack, and I've zoomed in so you can get a closer look at these. Super cute. We have the words road trip, summer and scenic view over here. A couple of little labels there as well. We've got this flower, the star here, little polka dot heart. We've got a cactus, that is adorable. This little car, we've got a camera, an ice cream, this little banner here that says Happy Camper. We also have a bow and two little other banner pieces over here as well. So these are super adorable. Absolutely love these. They are the Amanda chipboard bits. Okay, so next up we have the Amanda die cuts. There are 37 pieces in this pack, and as you can see, they are adorable. So we have lots of things to choose from. In this pack, we've got labels. We've got some of these little tag pieces as well. One of them says chapter number 7 on it. We have some little hearts in different colours, some really pretty florals here as well. We've got some lemons or citrus. We've got this piece here that says life, and there are 2 little holes punched out on those left corners. Love that. You could add twine to that. We've got this little banner piece here, this cute little rainbow wall hanging. We've got another label here that says on to the next adventure. Some cute little flower glasses there. We've got the word today. This large title that says summer. 2 little tab pieces here and lots of stars. And I'm loving Amanda's cute little dress that she's got on there. We've also got that little ampersand there as well. So they are the Amanda die cut shapes. Absolutely loving these. Okay, next up we have the Amanda paper pack. So this little packaging strip comes in the pack itself. Always keep this. I use this all the time in different projects because it has this miniature version of all the patterns from the paper pack. So it's really handy. You can even use these little multicolored scallop strip in projects as well. And I've also used this dotty piece across the top here too. So really handy to keep and to use. Okay, so we do have the July title card included in the paper pack, which we have had in each month this year. It's 3x8 in size, so perfect to put in your pocket page albums, or you could use it as a title on a page as well. We have the lines on the back, so you can add journaling to that, and that's just a really fun, handy little piece that you could use in any of your projects this month. Alright, so let's take a closer look at these gorgeous patterns. So this first one here is the floral. Really loving the colours in the kit this month. On the reverse of this one, we have this chevron pattern. That's really fun. And we have these blue lines down the branding strip. So that is the floral pattern there. Next up, we have lemons on one side, and on the other, we have these stripes, and this branding strip is this little pink with the white dot. Next up we have this gorgeous pink pattern paper that's called Sketch Spots, and on the back we have these black and white hearts, so they're really cute little hearts that like they're hand drawn, and we have these tiny little plus signs down that branding strip. Next up we have this gingham, and it looks like it's that forest colour that matches the ribbon. On the back of this one we have little black and white bows, super adorable, and this diagonal mustard stripe down the branding strip. Oh, I love this one. Bold stripes in all the colours from the kit, and on the back of that we have this plaid pattern. We also have those little lemons down that branding strip. Next one we have is this mustard dots pattern paper, and on the back of that one is these tabs. These are super handy. You can cut all these out and use them on so many different projects. We also have these stars down that branding strip. So onto the solid colour papers. We always have 2 in every kit. So this one here has the 2 shades of pink, and as always it has the scallop strip down that bottom edge, and this one is that blue on one side and that forest colour on the back, again with that scalloped edge. Okay, there is one more thing I have here to show you, and these ones were not part of the kit but are available separately in the shop where you find all the other Amanda goodies. So these are the Amanda library cards. So you can see there are 6 cards. One of them has that gorgeous rainbow pattern on it, and it actually continues onto the other side there. So that is super adorable. So that's the library card with the rainbow. We also have it in the mustard, this lighter blue colour, 2 shades of pink. There's this salmony pink and this other pink here, and this darker forest colour. So all the library cards are the same when it comes to the pattern. It has this set of lines on the front, and on the back slightly different, which is the date and borrower's name. So they're perfect for journaling and all sorts of things. You can add photos to them, embellishments, and they're just fun to have in your stash. So they are the Amanda library cards. Okay, so that is the Amanda Kit for July 2020 from Felicity Jane. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's included in the kit this month. The combined kit itself is actually sold out. It's been super popular, but every single thing that you can see here is still available separately in the store right now. So if there's anything you wanted to grab for yourself, even make up the kit yourself to get each one of these goodies, you can do that right now. So I'll leave a link down below to the Felicity Jane store for you if you're interested in doing that. And I'll see you again soon with some Amanda Kit projects. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.